Welcome to the Unenglish Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, June 29. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad, just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
Same here. I've got a big meeting to prepare for.
Oh, meetings, always a blast. Hey, did you catch the news about those new trade rules in Europe?
Yeah, I saw a bit about it. What's the story?
They're setting up new rules to help small businesses. It's all about making trade easier with other countries.
That sounds like a good move. Small businesses really need a boost right now?
Totally. I'm hoping it means more clients for us over there.
Could be. It might open up some new markets for your sales team.
Fingers crossed. More clients mean more commissions for me.
Haha, always thinking about the money, huh?
You know it. If we get more business, I'll be smiling all day.
I get it. I'll look into the details later to see how it affects our projects.
Good call. We need to stay on top of this stuff.
For sure. Changes like this can impact a lot of things we do.
Yeah, it's all connected. Hey, speaking of staying on top, did you hear about that new app from the big tech company?
No, which one? There are so many apps out there.
It's a new one for work. Helps with tasks and schedules, super simple to use.
Oh, that sounds helpful. We could use better tools for managing projects.
Right? I'm thinking of downloading it today to test it out.
Let me know if it works well. I'm always looking for ways to keep things organized.
Will do. If it saves me time, I'll be the happiest guy in the office.
Huh? We'll see if it's that good. Tech like this can really make a difference, though.
For sure. Less mess, less stress. That's my motto.
I like that. A good app can save hours of work every week.
Exactly. Imagine no more late nights fixing schedules.
That would be a dream. I spend too much time on those things.
Same here. Hey, let's change the topic for a bit. Did you hear about that huge music event happening soon?
No, I missed that. What's going on?
It's a massive concert in a big city abroad. Tons of famous stars are going to perform.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Do you know who's playing?
I think some really big names. Everyone's talking about it on the news.
I'd love to go to something like that. Music events are so much fun.
Yeah. It's like a giant party for the whole world. Too bad it's so far away.
True, but maybe they'll stream it online. A lot of big events do that now.
Good idea. I'll get some snacks and watch it from my couch.
That's a plan. It's nice to have something exciting to look forward to.
Totally. Work is important, but we need some fun in life too.
Agreed. It helps keep the balance.
For sure. Hey, speaking of balance, I need to balance my coffee cup and get back to my desk.
Yeah, I should start preparing for that meeting. Got a lot to cover?
Always busy, huh? Well, let's chat more about that trade thing later.
Sounds good. I'm curious to see how it plays out for us.
Me too. If it's good news, I'll be calling everyone in Europe.
I bet you will. You never stop selling.
Never. Hey, what do you think about that app again? Should I download it now?
Why not? Give it a try and tell me if it's worth it.
Okay, I'll do it during lunch. Might make my afternoon easier.
Hope so. We all need a little help with time management.
Tell me about it. I'm always running late for something.
I've noticed, but you always get the job done.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I try my best.
You do. Hey, about that concert, do you think it'll be as big as they say?
I think so. With all those stars, it's got to be huge.
I hope they show some clips online. I miss going to big events like that.
Same here. Last time I went to a concert, I danced all night.
I can't imagine you dancing, but that sounds fun.
Oh, I've got moves. Maybe I'll show you one day.
I'll hold you to that. But for now, let's get back to work.
Yeah? Got to make those calls. Sales don't wait for anyone.
And I've got deadlines. Can't keep the team waiting.
True. Hey, let's grab coffee again tomorrow. I want to hear more about your projects.
Deal. I'll tell you how the meeting goes.
Cool. I'll share if that app is any good too.
Looking forward to it. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
See you later. Take it easy.
Always do. Catch you soon.
Bye for now. Good luck with those calls.
Thanks. Good luck with your meeting.
Appreciate it. Let's keep in touch about that trade news.
For sure. I'll send you anything I find out.
Great. I'll do the same if I read more.
Perfect. Hey, one last thing. I might watch that concert stream this weekend.
Nice. Tell me if it's worth watching.
Will do. Maybe we can chat about it next time.
Sounds good. I'd like to know who performs.
Me too. Okay, I'm really going now.
Me too. Back to the grind.
Yep. Back to the grind. See you around.
See you around. Have a great day.
You too? Let's make it a good one.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.